leadership, we used our book outline to solve problems, and here's an example of how we did it.
In leadership, we learn to solve problems using an easy format. First, we state the problem.
For example, we all had the same problem. We want to be able to go to the movies with our friends on the weekend without our parents. You know, like the movies, the mall, the skate park, or the pool. We don't want to have our parents go with us.
The first step in problem solving is to state our position. My position is that I'm trustworthy, responsible, and old enough to be with my friends in public without having parent supervision.
The next step is to state the other person's position. So our parents all have the same position. They love us, and they don't want anything bad to happen to us. They don't want to worry about our safety because they know we're old enough. They worry for our safety because they hear some bad stuff happen to some other kids our age. Or they're worried we might get in trouble. Even if they're not too worried about me, they're worried that my other friends might cause trouble.
So once you've stated the position of both parties, the next step is to come with 3 solutions to solve the problem. With each solution, you have to have a pro and con for each solution.
So here's solution number 1. My parents could let me go to the movie that starts at 5 p.m. That way, the movie will be finished about 6:30. I could go to the taco shop across the parking lot from the theater, and my mom could pick me up about 7:45, right when it gets dark. It seems most bad things happen around dark or after dark. Pro, I could go to the movies with my friends with no adult. Con, I'd have to talk to my friends about going to a movie earlier. Most of them want to go to the later movies, so it might be hard to convince them.
And here's solution number 2. My parents could drop me off at the movies at 5 p.m. and then just pick me up afterwards at 7 p.m. from the taco shop. Pro, at least it's a start. I could go to the movies this time, and maybe the next time I could stay later. Con, it would be a little embarrassing to have my mom pick me up at 7 when all my friends could stay until 8.
And here's the last solution. Solution number 3. My parents could go with me, but they could go and watch a different movie in the same movie theater. And they could meet me afterward to make sure everything's okay. If everything's okay, then they can go eat pizza next to the taco shop while I go with my friends. After that, we could meet at 7:48 at home. Oh, pro. I'd go to the movies and eat out with my friends. Con, my friends would know that my parents are just in the next room, so it's almost like they're still there.
Our recommendation is to recommend number 3, because we don't think that our parents will let us go without supervision. If we choose number 3, it's like a compromise. We get to go, and our parents can feel confident that we're safe and not in trouble.
We're going to show our leadership books to our parents tomorrow and talk with them about these 3 options. Who knows, maybe this will work.